What's up, gals and pals? I'm Coach Vino. This is the Progress Bar. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a bit of a roll when it comes to finding cocktails that are not only stirred, but also have some of those great flavors you would find in tiki cocktails or Caribbean cocktails, right? First, I started off with the Man in the Yellow Hat, and then I made the Bywater cocktail, and today I'm bringing you guys a cocktail called From the Cradle to the Grave. Now, this cocktail is created by Mary Palac at Paper Plane in San Jose, California. And apparently she was inspired by this cocktail when she went to Jamaica. Now, I love Jamaica. It's one of my favorite places to visit. I grew up with a lot of Jamaicans, and one of my best friends is Jamaican. So I totally get it, Mary. You get very easily influenced when you're down on the island. So anyway, she was influenced by just seeing all the allspice or pimento trees that are all over the place and how it's used in all of the cuisine down in Jamaica. So she was inspired to make a cocktail using Allspice Dram. So before I do that though, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and press that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're about to boogie down. All right, let us look at what is in the sauce for our Cradle to the Grave cocktail. Now, just so you know, the reason she came up with that name was because while in Jamaica, one of her friends or someone told her that Jamaicans drink all of their lives. So there's the cradle to the grave. There's where the concept came from, all right? So anyway, 1.5 ounces of an aged Jamaican rum. I'm gonna be using Appleton 8, which is one of my absolute favorite rums, all right? But you can use whatever aged Jamaican rum you got, okay? And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Cynar, right guys? So I love when I get to use Amaro in the cocktail, and this, of all of them, is my favorite, all right? And then we're gonna do, what's this? 1/2 ounce of an Oloroso Sherry. So an Oloroso Sherry is gonna get you some nice nutty flavors with just a slight little bit of sweetness there, right folks? So this is a delicious sherry to have. All right, and then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of our Allspice Dram, which is more than enough for most cocktails, all right, folks? So 1/4 ounce of Allspice Dram. Now, I love Allspice Dram, and I've had it in cocktails where I've used like 1/2 ounce of this stuff. It's never enough, not for Vino. All right, so then we're gonna do 2 drops of saline solution. So if you don't know what the hell that is, it's just salt water, right, folks? So there you go, that was enough. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and add ice to our mixing glass. And we're gonna stir that for about 25 to 30 seconds. All right, folks, I think we stirred this bad boy up enough. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a winner, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead now and get my glass out. Okay, I'm gonna be serving that in a coupe, which I've had chilling like a villain. There we go, beautiful. You know, Vino's a big fan of those amber colors. Always makes me very happy. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna garnish that with some nutmeg, which I love. That's such a cool idea. Not something you see too often. I like to use it myself on stirred cocktails, so I'm really happy that she went in that direction. All right, there we go. Beautiful. All right, excellent. And there we have it, folks. Our Cradle to the Grave cocktail. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our Cradle to the Grave cocktail a sippy sip. Cheers. I mean, right in the nose, those beautiful nutmeg aromas. I mean, you really can't go wrong, guys. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is super nice, guys. I love how the finish actually is the Oloroso Sherry. You're getting that nuttiness at the end and kind of like them deep raisin notes. Right up top, you're gonna get the nutmeg, and then you're gonna be followed by the Jamaican rum. You're gonna get a little bit of that kind of banana funkiness and stuff. The Cynar is probably where I feel the bitterness, but I don't taste the Cynar as much. More of the bitterness from the Cynar. But otherwise, guys, this is a delicious cocktail. Really easy drinking. I love all of the different flavors you're getting from all the spicy notes and all the nutty notes and stuff, guys. This is delicious, all right? Listen, if you like this cocktail, if you like this video, if you like this channel, please press like, please subscribe, and please share with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring. And when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.